And welcome once again to Morganithor's Playing a Game! Part 6, Boat Bustlin. Let's go kill a boat captain on the Mississippi. I say that weird and with a strange rhythm. You don't know that part of the story yet. We've seen this. No, we haven't. Let's watch this.
Welcome to Mississippi, 47. A local gang known as the Gators handled the distribution of drugs up and down the Mississippi. The Gators move their merchandise on a tourist riverboat. Our client wants you to shut them down. Your job is to eliminate the 6 Gator crew members and their boss. The client also wants any documents you find in the boss's safe, which is somewhere on the upper deck. The Gators
Extreme rate of fire
area on the top 2 decks of the ship.
Penetrates
Access
doors.
to that
I like
area
it.
is limited. We have no other information. Keep up the good work, 47.
I'm going to need this red dot sight at some point, so let's get that. 2 more clips. Well, yes, I will buy more ammo clips. That'll be good. Less recoil, more precise. Pardon me. Let's start the mission. Ugh. Gross. Barf. So, in taking a look at the map, gotta kill 6 members of the Gator gang, and Muldoon who bites his finger. Let's see, 3rd deck is the cabins, okay. Second deck is the staff quarters. I'm on the engine room, okay. A few people out on patrol. 4th deck is the restaurant, which someone is serving, looks like. The Gator's private deck. Oh, madness and mayhem is going to ensue there. Maybe a bomb being dropped or something of that nature. Alright. Okay, can't climb up there. Let's see. Where can I go? Oh. Interesting. You look like a potential candidate to Harasser Rob. Just a set of give, though. Can't get in your room. Oh, that's so sad. Oop, use keycard.
Welcome to
Need a
Mississippi.
keycard. Alright. Need keycards to get into every room. Is this one of the bad guys? Sure is. Let's keep track of where you go to. Your room right there. Good to know. 309. What's next? Let's see. Go down some stairs. Will that interrupt anything? Will anyone harass me about it? Staff only. Probably. Hey, you don't belong in here. Yep. Alright, I'm out. Keep running. Keep running. Alright. Does this turn off all the lights in the whole area? Let's see. Nope, just right there. Lots of key cards. Lots of key cards. Gonna need a key card or 2 here, apparently.
There must be a special spot in hell for tourists.
No. But we can agree to disagree here. No, I'll go on this one. Thanks, man. And we'll get a set of give. Oh. Hopefully you don't get in the way of the door. Closed door. Suit purser. Is that what they're called? Pursers? Drag body. Well, that was fortunate that you didn't see that. Oh, I got a master key card too. Great. Why can't I close the door? I'm glad you didn't see anything. Wow. That was lucky. I'll try dragging you over here, see if you can get stuck. Drag quickly. Alright. Anyone else coming? I hope not. Come on. There we go. No one coming. Let's try and put him in here. There we go. Hooray! We'll just turn off the light here. So now I've got the master key card, I can go into anybody's room. Mwahaha. So where do I want to go? That's a great question. Hee hee. Anybody's room, apparently. Closet. Oh, wow. What a bed. Does the closet do me any good? I don't think so. No. Jumping way down there. Alright. Ah, down this hallway.
Hey, buddy, this area is restricted.
So they shoot me? Wow. Alright. Well, now I know who to take out. Right away, the bursar. But not go over there, apparently? Jeez. Get a better uniform or something. Oh, I'm not on the right floor. There we go. Whee! Yes. There we go.
Just when you think people couldn't be more obnoxious, they gonna improve your...
Don't mind me. I'm just walking towards the bathroom like you are. We're fine. We're buddies. Oh. Give him a set of give. No.
What the hell?
No! I almost got it. We can do it. Here we go. Up the 2 sets of stairs, into this set of doors, down through here, across here. Keep going. Keep running. Get the bursar. Bursar? Bursar. Hello. I could probably take out this guy. There we go. Thank you. Can I throw his body over the side? That's a good question. It's a good question. That would be very useful. Throw over rail. Hooray! Goodbye. Alright. However, I still need that Bursar's master key card. Ah. Come on. Yeah. Are you using mods? Hi, by the way. Hello, Kappa. Them arms be cut? That's right, they are darn cut. Using mods. No, I'm not. I am just playing the game. Because I like playing retro games, and my computer can't run new games, so there it is. I don't need a suit. What I need is your master key card. There it is. Now put on the suit of the sailor. Okay. So now I've got the key card. I can start harassing people. Was it 139, 129? I think that was the room he was in. Is there some sort of thing I can set up? Probably. Let's see. 1309? Is that the one? I think that was it. Let's try. Hee. Oh, I can get in here. Is he gonna come back? It just looked nicer than I remembered. Well, I guess it is a 9-year-old game, so it's hard to really remember. For me, anyway. Oh, here they come. Someone is coming in. Hi. Do I get to hear anything?
Sure was romantic how that sun went down behind them trees. Wasn't it?
Okay.
Keep it in your pants, Romeo.
I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, this guy's gonna die. This guy's gonna die. Goodbye. Down you go. One down, a bamillion to go. We'll just put that away. Close that door. Alright. He keeps trying to get in his room drunk. Let me see if I can get in his room because I'm sober. So you got anything good in there, buddy? Woo! All the ladies in this game share the same breast size. Double D. That is a truth that I cannot deny. There is nothing special in here. This guy's just drunkenly trying to get to his room so he can pass out. Sorry, dude. Oh, he's trying any door that he can try. Maybe we should try every door that he tries. Okay, well, I've got one guy dead. He's in his solo apartment. No one's going to mess with him. See, I've got a master key card, so I can go in here and investigate everything. Just dumb closets. Alright. Restaurant deck. There's someone up there. Wow, the Gator's private deck just seems like a whole mess of not fun. There's someone in the engine room. Let's go down there. I like doing these solo missions a little better. By solo, I mean, you know, not killing 6 people at once. I love these toggle lights. It's like, do they... Yep. Turn off the party. Alright, down to the engine room. Now that I look like every other guard out here. Hey, guy. What's going on, guy? Alright. Let's see what they think once I get in here. Oh, nope, 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 nope. Wait. Okay. Now we pick the lock. Hello, everyone. Don't mind me here. Way down the end of the way. Aha! Can you just push him in? Oh yeah, because that guy's... Let me just push him in. Let me just push him in. Can I? Nope. So I'm gonna do that instead. Everybody on high alert. Uh-oh. You're gonna go find that guy, aren't you? Don't mind me, I'm just a buff old sailor just like the rest of you. Exactly. Don't mind me, just a buff bald sailor with a barcode on the back of his head. And the sunglasses. Because pimp. Alright. It's a staff waiting area here. You ain't complaining, are you? Did you leave a uniform in here, person? Are you seasick? I'm sorry. I'll get out of your room. Here, look. Just let me turn off the light for you. I'm gonna turn off the light for you. There you go. Go back to beddy, bye. Nope. Okay. Well, good night. What else? Where are you going? Go down to serve people food. There's clearly something I need in this middle room here, so let's go investigate that. Oh. Oh. Oh my. Huh. Can I touch this? No? Okay. Can I murder you? I can. But with what? Yeah, let's make it pretty. Oh no, I haven't had time to use this. Hee hee! I love this game. I played it far too much. Great times. This is... I am on the 6th level now, but I have never really played this. And I got it on a Steam sale, and so I'm going through it because I always heard great things. Whee! Well, that's not fully true. I played it a little bit on, like, GameCube or something, I think? But that was ages ago. Can I just pick them off with a rifle? Is it silenced? Whee! I don't think I can carry that. Oh, okay. Can I put the FN 2000 in the rifle suitcase? Well, I will pick up ammo. Note rifle? Alright. How do I access the note rifle? I don't. Okay. So there's a rifle in here. Is someone carrying a dead body? Oh no, they're gonna come investigate. Alright. I can get in a closet down there? Alright, okay. A lot of this does not seem to have a high level of utility. I need to get to the next floor. I think you can open the case by opening the image. Oh, I see. Well, I don't really need a rifle right now, so I realized the second better part of it. Because I was like, I need to get up a higher floor, and I need to get to some murder rate in here. Uh-oh, now that body's gonna be discovered. How do I get up over there? Okay. To the left. Alright. Let's see how far I can get. Aha! Alright, 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 alright. Clearly I need a different outfit. You're gonna have to not do that. Where is his suit? Suit purser. Let's try this one.
Welcome to Mississippi.
Can I just walk up?
This area is restricted.
Dang it! Alright. Aha! Yeah, using that rifle is a mess. It's more of taking it with you so you have the weapon collected. Gotcha. Though I did take some sort of note that might have assisted me in that process, so we'll see. Close the door. This guy's on body duty. Just dragging one of the people I killed through the... I love the AI's reaction. They're just like, whatever, drag bodies through here. Through the middle of the common area. Oh, ridiculous. I think I'm gonna shoot this guy? Why not? Can I? Maybe it won't let me. That's entirely possible. Yeah, won't let me. Alright, I can't get up to the top floor. Okay, I need to go to the other side staff quarters. Oh, that's probably captain's quarters? Let's go over there. Hey, bro. Hey. That's strange. He has a barcode on the back of his head. I don't remember anyone with a barcode. That didn't work. Let's go downstairs? That's not working either. Okay. Then I blew him. There's one level where you go to a wedding, dress as the priest and stash my rifle case behind the altar. Then I blew him right there. Yeah, part of my problem if you watch the playthroughs that I have on YouTube that I've done to this point is that I'm not very patient, nor am I very quiet. I got my first, like, decent rating last playthrough, last level I played. I'm just awful at this game. Could enter there, but that's staff only, and I might get busted. So maybe I should go upstairs? Yeah, well. Is he the captain? I think he's the captain. We've got a captain. I hate to do this to you, Captain, but I don't have any more sedatives, so I'm gonna have to kill you.
President Stewart delivered a speech as he accepted his party's nomination on the final
Sorry,
night of the
man.
election last night in Chicago. Overnight polling suggests President Stewart can expect to enjoy a significant bounce in the polls in the wake of the convention.
Whee! Run away right now. Nope. Don't be suspicious. Everyone's a captain, apparently. Like, everyone's a critic. Alright. Well, I got the master key of some sort. Aha! Maybe I made the crew not pay attention? Or all pay attention? I don't know. The key for the entry... I already picked the lock to get into the entry room. There was not a lot of utility in killing that person. Ah, well... Blew out the window. No one will notice the cracked glass at the front of the engine. You've got me there, Kappa. No one will notice the loud crashing sound of a... Oh god, I'm a terrible, terrible game player. Okay, how do I... Alright, I'm gonna figure out how to get up this next level. I'm gonna figure out how to get into that place where I can kill all the gators. Let's see. Alright. Nah, I don't want to kill this guy. Ah, dang it. My chat failed. Sorry if you've said something in the meantime, Kappa. I don't want to kill you, man. You seem like a good guy. But I need your clothes. Alright, I'm gonna wait till you walk back down here, and maybe you'll come into a room and be helpful that way. Oh, staff locker room. Duh. Different outfit? Let's see if this one will work. I don't think so. Let's see. I'm gonna try. Oh, he walks down? Yeah, that's no more helpful than the sailor outfit, I don't think. There's no utility in killing that guy. Do I hear 8-foot plate glass window shattering? Nah, must have been the champagne glasses clinking. You got it. He could be in the engine room, but I need to get up higher. That's pretty good, Kappa. It's only made good by the fact that I am terrible at this game. So let's keep moving. I'm gonna change back to my sailor outfit. That seems more... Oh, hey, man. Yep, turn off the light before you... Thank you, bro. Thank you. I'm gonna put on my sailor suit in the dark, as most of us sailors do. There's still something over there that I gotta get to. Let's see. What am I missing? So you need another floor and go down one? Let's see. Hey man, you're drunk. You should go home. Alright. Okay, a bunch of different guests. Aha! Aha! Is this the thing that it was supposed to be? No. Ooh! I do need to find a way all the way to the back, though, because there's someone right there. Do 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 do. Like I knew you were self-conscious and have to dress yourself with the lights off. Exactly. He's kind. He pays attention to me and my needs. He knows me. We go way back, me and Jim. Nothing suspicious in here. No, you're not. I'm gonna have to not go there.
Beg your pardon, sir.
Oh.
Might I trouble you to direct a waiter in my direction?
Oh, all right. Do I talk to the bartender? Nope. Nope. Waiter? Nope. Yeah, you can trouble me, but I'm not going to be able to do it. Aha. Maybe I will. Oh, hi. Just inspecting your wares here, sir. I can't tell you how much this means to me to watch under a master chef. We're gonna have biceps and traps. Just lots of back and by days forever and ever, as we know is super effective in the gym. I don't want to kill this guy, but it does have a food tray. Aha. Hey man, look, I'm sorry about this. I'm really sorry about this. But I'm gonna have to take your clothes. Me and Jim got a date we gotta attend to. I'll take the tray. And open the door.
Good evening, friend. Might you be so kind as to bring a bottle of your finest champagne to my cabin, number 23. Here's my spare key.
All right. I will take your cabin card for 323, even though I have a master key card. Let's see if he'll let me through here now.
Such a
No
darling.
trespassing, fella. Get out of
Alright, shut up. Well, now I've got a key for 323, so what do I do with it? First, set down this tray, because who needs that? Get my sailor suit back on. Oh, whoa! What? Did someone see me? Nope. Okay. Ah, crud. You're next. Ah, crud. Alright, everybody. Sorry. Sorry, everybody. Everybody get out. I'm gonna have to kill you all. Everybody down. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for flying. Oh, private. I was gonna get a feel for this for later. You're in the way, sir. I'm sorry. Gotta wear those bulletproof vests, buddy. Ah, nothing up here. How do I get to the 5th floor? Let's see how to get to the 5th floor. That's not where I need to go. Sorry. Do you ever save load? Nah, I kind of just restart. Okay. So I have killed plenty of people now. And not sure where to go next, because I have killed lots and lots of people. And the gators do not care. Well, seems like I kind of cleared out everybody I need to clear out to get upstairs, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Oh, first I'll... Syringe, sedative, poison, and adrenaline. Yay! Oh, and then this. I hate to do this to you guys, but I'm going to have to kill you. Thank you. Just one more. Is that all of them? I think it is, but are becoming suspicious. Retrieve pictures, escape via the rescue boat. Where's the pictures? Alright, let's see. Oh, everything calmed down. And pile of dead bodies isn't hurting anybody on board. We're all good. It's all fine.
No! Oh my god, no!
Can we just move? I don't care. There are apparently pictures that I need to pick up. Shotgun ammo, bull ammo, champagne.
No! Oh my god, no!
Oh, hush. I need to find those camera pictures. Oh. Okay. Can we just get you to stop screaming? Thank you. I need to find... Aha! The safe. Open door. Parcel pictures. Sweet. And then, what else? How else could I have done this? Probably a lot more smoothly. Well, here's an outside locked, gated thing. Oh. Alright. Oh, so you go around this way. Oh, I see. And then I've escaped via lifeboat? That seemed like what I was supposed to do. Where are the lifeboats? Escape via the rescue boat. Where's the rescue boat located? Here, kitty kitty. Where are you, rescue boat? Maybe go down a couple flights. Exit. Got it. I don't think I have a choice. Running, 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 running. Don't mind the murder and mayhem in there. It's cool, everybody. Oh, because they recognize me. Everybody run! Everybody run! Everybody run! But especially me. Ow. Run, run, run. Gotta get to the front. Gotta get to the front. Come on. Whee! This isn't the front of the boat. But this is. Aha! Escape! Well, that was, I didn't get caught on camera. Only 53 people saw me. That was one of the worst things I think I've ever done. I am absolutely a psychopath. I could have done that so much better. But I've got so much money. I'll just acquire a new identity for $200,000 and no one will ever know. Maniac on a Rampage. Psychopath Massacres 21. Oh, damn. I did a terrible, terrible job. But I am now going to save it. I can't believe I survived that. I thought I clearly would have died. But that's all for now. We only get one at a time. Join me next time on Morganithor is Playing a Game when I see what the name of the next level is called. Till Death Do Us Part. Oh, it's the wedding! Well, I'm back to that wonderful thing that you were talking about. So thank you so much, Kappa, for watching, and we'll see you soon. Maybe, hopefully, possibly, potentially, not sure.